Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Vietnam. So what we got going on today, guys, we're kind of official day 2 of our Sheila project. Today we're in cable land, dude. We got all the treatment laid down yesterday on the floor. So we've got loads of wires to run today. DJ's still working under the hood, getting some stuff situated under there. But let's go ahead and get started, and then we'll take you through what we got today. All right, guys, so we're gonna keep running here on Sheila day 2. What I'm gonna do, I still gotta map out a couple things before I solidify some of these door harnesses, just because we're relocating so many wires. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna gut the alarm out of this thing, get it out completely, re-prep it to get it reinstalled. Then we're gonna finish figuring out what exactly we have to run back and forth through these doors. At that point, we're gonna start running some cables in Sheila. So, yep, so stay with us. Where are you at? You got anything worth talking about under here?
Not quite.
Okay. So we'll check in with DJ here in a little bit. But so we had to map out a game plan. There's a lot of cabling going on in here. So a lot of stuff coming out, a lot of stuff being redone. So making sure we don't lose track of what was in here that needs to be in here, and just it's a lot of goodies. So oh, I've done it, you know, but I pulled some stuff out. Sheila stopped running. So, but anyway, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and keep running. We'll get on a time lapse here, get this alarm out of here, map out these harnesses, and go time. All right, guys, so we got that cleaned up a little bit. It didn't take too long, but and it hurts when you start looking through what people do in some of these things, and it's like, it's just, I don't know, I don't discredit what other people do, but it's just, we just do it different, I guess. So what we're gonna do is I gotta get a tech sheet. We're gonna look up, we know most of the cables in that one for the alarm aspect of it anyway. So it's an old Chevy, so if you've done one, you've done them all. I'm gonna gather some parts so we can there were some harnesses that were cut that we're gonna replace. Luckily we have some other parts in stock to do some repairs. But other than that, we'll get this thing prepped. I think we're just gonna knock this thing out of the way, to be honest. So stay with us. We just wanted to touch base with you real quick and keep on moving. Man, my stuff's getting boring over here, so we're gonna change gears. I'm just, I think I'm cutting out factory wires at this point. But we're gonna catch up here. DJ wants to catch up what he's doing here. He's got a whole bunch of goodies going on. So what do you got running? Where you at?
I got the cables hooked up to both alternators. The power and ground for the lithium bank, power and ground for the 12-volt bank.
Which come off of each alternator.
Correct.
Right? Yeah.
They're individually and they're isolated.
Yeah, so this one will be the lithium power. You got to ground directly to, and this one's for the AGM side, so same deal.
I've got all my accessories mapped out, running
them.
cables from point A to point B for my fuse distribution over here.
Yeah, so this is all going in the firewall too. This is for accessories in the truck, but he's got it all routed back behind this rail here. If I would show you on camera, not just look at it, but so everything's tucked, looking factory. Take you over this side, show you what he's got. All right, so what we got going on over here?
Oh. Let's get a few things out of the way. We're getting there.
Yeah, so all the power's hooked up here. The Tech Flex we use, we got a red black for all the power, and we have black for ground, which is not that guy.
Factory.
Yeah, so this is grounds here.
Grounds.
But so rerun all these harnesses here. Got this stuff all dressed. It'll get tied up nice. Relays going on here, right?
Correct. We're doing 4 relays on the outside. I'm doing the factory fusing for both alternators on this side, which I'm not mounted yet.
Yep. So we're gonna set you guys up in a time lapse out here. Kind of watch DJ go here. He's got lots. His stuff's more fun out here. Mine sucks. So
For now.
yeah, for now. So I'm just.
At least yours is easier to move around in. I'm crawling on top of the motor.
Oh, that's the exciting part. YouTube will love it. So awesome. So we're gonna get you guys set up and see DJ work. All right, now that we got everything moved, we're gonna close this one out. So believe it or not, we are still cabling and cabling and cabling. So the first few days, these videos, we're gonna just bear with us, man. As soon as we get through all this, I mean, we're basically wiring a whole vehicle and a whole audio system and a whole bunch of other goodies. So the first bit, just like I said, bear with us. It's gonna be a lot of cabling. We did get some projects moved around though. We got our boat out of here, got some cars moved. So hopefully in the next video or two, Sheila's gonna get moved and then it's game on, so.
On her own accord.
Oh, on her, she's gonna drive, you know, but so you guys just make sure you're subscribing to the videos. You know the rap, dude, just follow us. So catch you on the next one.